Hello everyone, today I'm going to open and build this LEGO Insiders Reward the Tic Tac Toe set. So without further ado, let's open up and start building. Unfortunately, I didn't bring the cutter with me, so let's hope I didn't wreck the box as much, but let's just pull off the tape and bring it out. It's actually quite disappointing because basically you get 10 minifigures and this very simple base plate just to give you the squares for you to play a game of tic-tac-toe. However, of course, the sell point of this particular gift with purchase or insiders rewards is the number of Classic Spaceman torso. Unfortunately, they didn't include any of the air tanks, so you can basically get a plain spaceman, and also the visor really doesn't work on this type of classic helmet. And probably it will be cheaper to build a orange spaceman army through pick brick. While the build is overly simple, it is quite useful to play a game of tic-tac-toe without any spaceman because you can always replace all this minifigure with other armies that you may have. And that's it for the tic-tac-toe set. As a novelty item, I think it's good to get multiple spacemen here, but as a LEGO set, it's actually quite disappointing. I would say it's not worth it for you to spend all these VIP points just to get this set, because if you are into an orange spaceman, the torso and the legs would be available on Pick a Brick. Having said that, those items or those parts are going to be retired pretty soon, but you can still get it from Bricklink, or there's another gift with purchase also include an orange spaceman, also without the air tank. Do let me know what you think about this set in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like.